Damage control. That's how the opposition People's National Party is describing the government's adjusted curfew measures following an increase in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations over the past 2 weeks. But is it sufficient? Is it a sufficient response to what the country is experiencing? We have more in this report.
People's National Party PNP spokesman on health Dr. Maurice Guy says Prime Minister Andrew Holness is backpedaling on his declaration when he relaxed the measures on July 1. Dr. Guy believes the tightening of the curfew hours will reduce the spread of COVID-19, especially over the holiday period, but he contends the numbers will still rise.
We expect that the numbers will increase. We expect the hospitalization will increase. And even though these measures are going to be redetermined in 2 weeks' time, there's every likelihood that we'll see greater numbers.
In just 1 week, Jamaica's reproductive rate moved from 1.1 to 1.4. This means that every person who has COVID-19 can infect up to 2 people. Moreover, Dr. Guy is confident that the contagious Delta variant is present on the island. According to the Ministry of Health, 200 samples were sent to be tested at a lab in Brazil on June 24. Those results have not returned. Additionally, the global demand for vaccine has halted the country's own inoculation program. Then, are the new measures on par with what the country is experiencing?
Even if the Prime Minister puts in tighter measures in August, the 11th of August or thereabouts, those tighter measures will not bear any fruit until at least 2 to 3 weeks after. And 2 to 3 weeks after that time is when we fall into the opening of schools.
Yeah. Dr. Guy says the country should be on high alert as it enters the third wave. And with back to school on the horizon, Dr. Guy thinks the Prime Minister will be forced to implement even tighter measures in August.
It's difficult to make a call right now, but it is something that all will have to watch and see how the numbers are going. And it may very well be that if the numbers are increasing prior to that particular time, the Prime Minister may have to come back to the country and say, in an expectation that we want to open school in September, that the measures will have to be tightened even further.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.